We have a 100% win rate on ADA in the last few days. Look at this. I gave you 2 videos ago. I gave you this long entry. We took it, and then I gave you this short entry on video. You can see that. You can just go back in my channel and see the trades. So now the question is, where will ADA or Cardano go to next? Obviously, this is no financial advice. There's chances I can be right, there's chances I can be wrong. We're just in a very good streak right now, but we just liquidated a lot of people. So at 83 cents and 73, we liquidated 1.3 mil and 1.3 mil worth of shorts again. So right here is where a lot of people managed to take very beautiful shorts at. And the question is, can we squeeze a little bit of profit as well? And I think we can. There's also a few other things that we should be cautious about. And the fact that we are touched the 200 EMA and the 50 EMA on the 4 hour is one of them. So I do believe we'll have a slight retracement from here. Obviously, this video is no financial advice, by the way. It will be very close. We want to draw this trend line. We'll probably be retesting the trend line. If we break it, we can target the 8126 lows. In terms of where people have their longs liquidations at, 18.6 is basically where it starts. So we have a long way to go, and I would definitely be interested in taking longs from this area as well. So if for some reason we can take profit here and then long here, that will be the best case scenario, right? And I would be adding more shorts in at 84.4, which is 80.4.4, which is right here, 83 point. So basically right here above these highs is where a lot of short liquidations at. All right, so I'll add to my positions right here for more shorts. That's basically how I'll play it out. If you want to follow my trades, I'm on 262 grand on meme coins. The Signals chat is in the links in the description down below. It's on Telegram, and also in the link in the description down below, I'll have a link to my course, which I wanted to price in very cheap. But regardless, I'll have another ADA video tomorrow. See you then. Subscribe, hit the like button. Bye.